Children, by seeing the picture, whom can you remember here? What story can you remember here? Because today our aim is to make predictions about a new story by making connections, but it seems to be old story, isn't it? The hare and the tortoise we can see here. And even the title of the story is the race. It means that they both are going to have a race. Previously we heard the lesson, we read the lesson hare and tortoise where they are going to have a race. So let us see whether these both stories are same or not. See, what is the genre of this? It is a folk tale. Means the story which is coming from many years. Yes. So it contains some character, it contains some moral which is really very important for us. It tells us some moral so that we can change ourselves. Yes, there will be some characters who will be learning the lesson, and there will be some characters who will be teaching the lesson in this. Now, let us see what is going to happen in this story, The Race. So, let us see page number 63. Can you see there? Oh, it is not in a forest. Can you see just seeing the pictures and everything? We can say sometimes we are able to predict the story just by seeing the pictures. So here in these pictures we can see they both are having bags, a school bag, and there is school here. So here the tortoise and hare are not there in a forest, but they are there in a school. Now let us see what is happening. Is it the story like the hare and tortoise, or there is any difference in the story basing on the character, basing on the events and everything? Hira, hare and Totu tortoise were neighbors. They even went to the same school. Oh, here the characters got their names, Hira and Totu. So the hare is having a name Hira and tortoise name is Totu, and they are neighbors. They live side by side. They even went to the same house, same school. So they went to same school. They live in the same area, and they are going together to school. So that means they are friends. Let us see what's happening. Toto was friendly and helpful. Here, what is the character of Toto? Toto was very friendly with all, and he is helpful. That means he helps to everyone. These are the adjectives which are explaining about the Toto. Yes, Toto is friendly and Toto is helpful. He always had a smile on his face and everyone liked him because he smiles and he loves everyone. He is friendly and he is helpful. Normally everyone will like Toto. Hira was jealous. In previous story we observed that always the hare teased the tortoise, but here we can find that they both are friends, but Hira was jealous. I am so smart and so fast. I am better than him, thought Hira. I should be the popular one. But when all of them like tortoise because of its helping nature and friendly nature, tortoise here, the Hira became jealous, and it thought to itself, I am so smart and so fast. So it is thinking itself as smart and fast. I am better than him. So better is the adjective, comparative adjective which we learned before, followed by than. And it thought that I should be the popular one because everyone are liking Toto. So it thought that I must be popular. But let us see what happened. Whenever he saw Toto, Hira made fun of him. So what happened in hare and tortoise and here in the race? Just try to compare because we want to write the similarities and differences between these two stories later. So try to compare what is happening in the story. Is it really happening in the hare and tortoise and race? Both stories you must be able to compare. Each and every event try to listen carefully. Hira made fun of him here. Hira made fun of Totu, the tortoise. Your name should be Slowpoke, not Totu, he would say. So what is the meaning of slowpoke? A person if walks too slow and is always too slow in something, we call him as slowpoke. That is the word they use to comment. So here Hira said to Totu that your name must be Slowpoke. Toto never said anything to Hira, but he felt bad. He knew he was slow, but there was nothing he could do about it. That was just how he was. Now see how sad Tortoise is. Can you see her face? Yes, it thought that, okay, Okay, didn't say any word badly towards the Hira, but really it felt very bad when Hira is making fun of tortoise. And what did he thought? Toto thought that he is slow because it is according to the nature. He is walking slow, but he cannot do anything. He can't run like the Hira. So what he thought? He thought that I cannot do that, so I can't do. That was just how he was. So how he was, he like himself and others also like him. So he doesn't bother much about the way how he is. He like himself. So normally we also, whatever we are, we must accept. We must not think about others or something which we doesn't have. Now let us move to the next page, page number 64. Can you see they both are talking and making fun of each other. Okay. One day Toto was walking back from school when Hira called out slowpoke and laughed. Toto couldn't take it anymore. Why are you so mean? He asked. Hira was surprised. Toto had never said anything to him before. I am not mean, he said. You're just a slowpoke. That's a fact. Toto stared at Hira for a minute. Then he said, let's run a race from the end of our street to the school gate. If you win, I will give you 10 carrots. But if you lose... Now Toto started to talk back because until now, whenever Hira is commenting, she didn't say anything, but now she cannot bear more. She cannot tolerate her comments, her making fun of her. So what she said? While walking, when Hira commented and said slowpoke, so Toto said, why are you so mean? Here the word mean means why you are unkind. He is not kind towards others but always unkind to others, and he doesn't bother about others. Then we call them as mean. So he said, why are you mean? Now when Toto talked back, Hira was surprised. Until now she didn't talk. But now why she is asking questions? Why the tortoise are asking questions? So he thought so and he said, I am not mean. So what did he said? He said that I am not mean. You are just a slowpoke. That's a fact. Whatever the fact is that I am talking about the fact. Because you are walking too slow, that's why I am calling you slowpoke. It is the fact and I am talking the fact. How come you say me mean, he said. Toto stared at Hira for a minute now. It stayed. What is the meaning of stayed? Looking at someone continuously because of some shock or because of some surprise. If we look at them continuously for some time, then we say stayed. So here Toto stayed at Hira for a minute. Then he said, let's run a race now. It asked her, the Toto tortoise asked Hira to have a race till the end of their street from the end of their street to the school gate. And it kept a condition that if she win, if the Hira is going to win, tortoise is going to give 10 carrots to Hira. And it said, if you lose, now see what happens. Now Hira was rolling on the ground with laughter. Do you know why it is laughing? When Toto tortoise said that if you lost, so it thought that it cannot be because Hira runs very fast. So it thought that it may not lose the race. So it started laughing. Lose a race? Against you, he screamed. Now he shouted like anything, saying that how come I lose a race against you? You are too slow and I run too fast. How come I lose the game? So it screamed, holding his stomach. See how it is laughing? How the Hira hair is laughing? Now, oh, you are too funny. If you lost, said Toto firmly. You will stop calling me slowpoke? Now, Toto the tortoise, it said very firmly, if you lost, okay, though it is funny, I am very serious. It said that if you lose, what will you do? Will you stop calling me slowpoke? What did the Hira hair told now? Done. Hold Hira. Hold means if they make a long loud sound, then we say hold, HOWLED. Hold means making a long sound, loud sound. They are making a sound which is really very loud, then we say hold. Done. So in a loud voice it said done. He was laughing so hard that there were tears running down his face. Sometimes even if we laugh for more time, then what happens? The tears come out from the eyes. So the same thing happened when Hira here is laughing. So we can observe that when he was laughing, tears are coming from his eyes. So they are running down his face. Now let us see what happened in page number 65. See the picture and try to guess. Oh, now can you see there are four tortoises, not one, but there are four here. In the hare and tortoise story, we saw only one tortoise, but can you see all tortoises, the four tortoises are similar. Now, can you guess what might happen in the story? Okay, let us read first and let us predict what is going to happen. They decided to run the race in the morning. So early in the morning, next day, they thought to run the race. Now Toto went home and spoke to his brothers. He had a plan. He gave each of them a white hanky. You meet Hira tomorrow with this hanky at the end of the street. He told his brother Kesha. So he told to his first brother Kesha. Now Toto Tortoise went to her home and it spoke to his brothers. They had a plan. He had a plan. So here all the characters are he. So they are boys only. So he had a plan. Even Hira here is a boy. And the Toto Tortoise and brothers all are boys. So it is a pronoun he. So what plan do you think they had? Can you see the hand keys in their hands? Now Toto said to his first brother Kesha to go and meet Hira tomorrow at the end of the street, because they thought to have a race from the end of the street to the school gate. Now what is he telling to other one? So first brother name is Kesha. You wait near the clock tower with this hand key, he told his brother, the second brother Tilak. Now he told the Hira will come and meet you at clock tower. So you want to meet him at the clock tower with this hand key. Now Toto Tortoise told to his second brother Tilak to meet Hira at the clock tower with the same hand key. And you wait near the mall, he told his third brother Jeggu. Can you see third brother Jeggu? Now Toto Tortoise told to his brother Jeggu to wait near the mall. And I will wait near the school gates with this one, he said, waving his own. Now all got the hand keys and they thought to meet. So Toto Tortoise is going to stay near the school gates. Okay, so they have a plan. Do you know what the plan is? Can you guess who is going to win the race? Yes, let us predict the story ourselves. Let us think ourselves what is going to happen. So in our next class we are going to discuss regarding this. So what happened now? The brothers grinned. They all looked so alike. Grinning means to give a smile. So the brothers all smiled. They have a plan. Now they smiled to each other and they started. They all looked so alike. Can you see them all? Now where is Kesha going? Where is Tilak going? And where is Jeggu? Three brothers, Kesha, Tilak and Jeggu. Let us think and let us see in next class whether our prediction is going to be true or not. Okay.